Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA G50, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you will need to grab one thing, which is a SIM ejector. As you can see, I have one right over here. Now this thing comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box, but if you can't find it, you can also use paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, you want to pop out the tray, which looks to be located on the upper left side of the phone. The pin is holding right now. Push it in, the tray will pop out, and on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD. If you're planning to occupy the tray with two SIM cards, you would just place one of them on the SD tray, just sideways like this. But because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna move it over. Then pop the SD on here as well. There we go. And it looks like the cards are actually being held in place, so that's nice. So anyway, from here, pop it back into your device, and they should start working automatically. Which there is a message about the SD card working, and here's the pin for the SIM card. So obviously SIM is also working. So anyway, that is how you insert your SIM and SD, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.